Ethan, what's on your head? What's stuck on your head? What is that? Can you see it? Can you see it? What is that? Did you see something? It just doesn't want to come off. He's walking like he got shot in the head.
You want some advice with the ladies? Well, I'm not your guy, but I have been thinking a lot about asking girls to prom. Watch this one.
Ethan, you see something?
Name is Lloyd.
It's like you keep seeing something on your head. What is that? What is that?
That is so mean to you.
What is that? What is that? What is that?